Ta-da, let's go our next unboxing and square box हमें पता है मांगा है, आपको टाइटल से पता लग गया होगा. तो without further ado, let's just open it up very quickly and let's just see. And ये ऐसे आता है and we don't know क्या है, तो खोल के ही पता लगेगा. Ta-da! So sorry. Uh, yes, this is oh, the yeah, this one I think got recommended मेरे को किससे and it was available on Meesho and wanted to read मतलब free time पे. तो I did not know the story or anything, but just say कि you read got a recommendation from somebody. So I just like चलो देखते हैं. And luckily मतलब मेरे को ऐसे मीशो पे मैं I was searching मांगा और उसमें आ गया. तो I was like कि let's just see क्या सीन है. And ta-da! I have no idea about it. So if you are a fan of it, definitely just review it quickly and move on. I think यहाँ पे उसका halfway है. Ta-da! So this उल्टा क्यों हुआ? Just curious. Oh, and then 6, 7, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it should all start with like this. So this is the entire thing. And mangas usually start with this side, but it should not start with this side. It usually start with this side, but it is not a manga. Okay, it's a book. Little disappointment. I thought it's a manga. Prince of Eternal, blah blah blah. मेरा भी दिल नहीं हुआ चल मतलब हार्ट थोड़ा ब्रेक हो गया, but let's see. I just say the quality cover, it's fine. I don't know what I was expecting, but this looks like this. And I'll just quickly go through because I cannot read this much. Sorry, I'm more of a visual person. But the print, the quality, this looks nice. So this is this also nice. This is. So I'll just zip through things. बीच में artworks है. I know maybe something much deeper that I don't know about, but if you're a fan of it, you should definitely buy it because I just can only comment on the quality as of now. Excellent quality, even in the covers and things. This looks nice. So if you're a fan of this, definitely, because it's a very good and at a very good price, available at Meesho only. मतलब और भी जगह है, but तो सबसे सस्ता तो वहीं मिल जाता है. तो so yeah, link in the description for this. Bye bye.